Welcome everybody to my channel. This is the main thing. We are here at home, ready to leave. We're jogging to I don't know where, but the end point has to be here at home again. So we're just moving. Don't know where I'm going. We just wherever the road leads us, we're heading there.
The presence of the light we shine upon in the darkness. Some people be alright, some people tend to be heartless. Some people living life, some people stuck in the process. Getting all the money and meeting people that honest. Not everyone is wise, not everyone is a fool. You choose between the two, well my nigga, it's up to you. Can't run away from facts, my nigga, we dying soon. Just hope and pray that in heaven I got a room. I mean, too many things that leading people to sin. They do it for a name and that is to be a king. Some people imitate to satisfy their needs. Some people are just mean and loving atrocities, such as live the facts and upgrade myself when I'm rapping, thinking about lyrics this and that. For example, we ain't safe cause COVID is the case. We do not want our knowledge and wisdom to go to waste. There's a kid, you have a choice, be wise or be a fool. Some children go to school, some children go to booth, but enough for watch critics. Time is about living. It's either you can pay for a Benz or a bus ticket. Not ready for the future, still building my mind thinking, so I can take on life on my own and without blinking. I'm thanking God for life in this earth and I'm still breathing. You only live once and your time has begun. You are young and you're not old. Focus on your time zone, upgrading yourself, and then it all comes down to one word: time. 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 Yeah, you are young and you're not old. Focus on your time zone, upgrading yourself, and then it all comes down to one word: time. Time. You only live once and your time is begun. Coming back with this emotion, using a different portion of lyrics that I just gave out to people because I'm chosen. My elder brother told me in life you better be focused, but in my mind I'm focused of getting rid of the rodents. Pray every day and asking the Lord to forgive me. I'm amalgamated with women that just be selfish and greedy with water. How could they do this? They be fighting just over the water. If that's the case, then I'll be wishing on crossing the border. You waste your time and busy giving more criminals honor. Just why I focus on my dreams on becoming a lawyer. I know I rap, but I won't drop out and become a baller. I see some rappers playing games or just chill in the corner. I know this beat is too short, but there's a lot to say. But thank the Lord for his grace, cause you are alive today. Do not give up on your dreams and you will never fail. Don't rush for your knees, cause you know patience pays. Patience pays. Yeah, patience pays. Yeah. Yeah. You are young and you not old. Focus on your time zone, upgrading yourself, and then it all comes down to one word: time. Time. You only live once and your time is begun. The presence of the light we shine upon in the darkness. Some people be alright, some people tend to be heartless. Some people living life, some people stuck in the process. Getting all the money and meeting people that honest. Not everyone is wise, not everyone is a fool. You choose between the two, well my nigga, it's up to you. Can't run away from facts, my nigga, we dying soon. Just hope and pray that in heaven I got a room, mommy. DIV.
Simple, life done totally well. I'm no saint, I do very bad things, but I do them very well. Well, don't you get me wrong, with bad things, it's just that with me it is different. I know that you can notice, you can really tell there's a big difference. I'm banking soon. There's a real difference. Smoke up and show myself to you. There's a big difference. I don't know what people show you every day. Why you shouldn't fuck with them. Oh well, girl. I'm still venting really soon. I'm unfeeling, but I'm really worried for you. I'm sorry, I cannot think of any song stupid enough for you. of drinking. Mama be thinking about getting my feelings in gold mines. Yeah, this world will give you so much pain, and here you are making gold of it with that cold heart. Ordinary people live and learn. Fortunately, I live, learn, and I conquer. Two wrongs don't make it right. I don't look at your folks, huh? What's my opinion compared to an honest mob, huh? So come again when you can't stay quite so long. But what is you so low? But I was twice as good, I still be better as fuck. Thinking people can be anywhere, stress that they can and cut. Matter of fact, man, ain't more like guns. Shooting up words like a screw up. Numb the feelings, I'm drunk as fuck. Imagine how hard it is to give a fuck. I wear a dog and you a flower. I lift my leg up and give you a shower. Hey, I'm sorry not to be rude, it's just that you don't matter. When I'm drunk, I self like that. I should be honest, feel like that. Better be real, out here, not perfect, but when it comes to you.
Linda, esa la Linda. Ngilana nje.
Nginyama ngidle ngedwana, ngigeze ngedwana, ngidisha ngedwana.
So great. Stop.
Sanibonani bobhuti. Sanibona.
Yebo kunjani nakethu?
Ngiyaphila bobhuti. Atitolo bengila emsebentini wenu lana. Ngahlangana nelijaha. Lithi lisebenza nani lindelani masuku.
Siyayade indvodza leyo siphila nayo.
Niphila nayo.
Sisebenza nayo vele la etinkathi.
Ishito yathini bathaphu la kulomsebenzi. Angathi ukuthi i-K something kuthiwa ingutshwa project yenu. KSA
farming.
Usho ukuthini mina kuthini no-KSA?
KSA farming. Angikuniketela ngumphathi wami lobuke letiko la ngalapho.
Okay.
Nguye lobuke letiko la ngalapho la ekhaya. Yebo.
Okay, asesicacala ngemagama cause Lindani wasuku ngimbonile. Wena mnakephu ungubani igama lakho?
Sibhembe siyabonga.
Sibhembe siyabonga. Bese wena mnakephu?
Ndwandwe yenza okuhle.
Ndwandwe yenza okuhle.
Yebo.
Okay, hayi ngiyabona wenza okuhle nansimini.
Awuzama nje.
Kuhle man. So nithi legama lale nangu lisho ukuthini?
KSA farming. For now, because we are not good in our finance, we are using a license for our elder sister.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay, nayi license kahle kahle mfowethu lenye ndakho.
Yes.
Okay. Ngibe ngifuna kwathi ukuthi lo KSI usho ukuthini lo K umelele ini lo
K
S
means kayise, S siyabonga, then A anele.
o KSA
Yes, KSA.
ngimthatha lo KSI mina KSA Anel okay kayise siyabonga Anel
Yes.
farming siyabonga nisiphatheleni la nsimini yenu
For now ne kabishi, but nalo due date is July
sekiphi inyanga uJanyala sekujuni
June.
okay lo liyavuma nalo ngiyabona uthi nebamfla batolithenga batolifokotela tosho ukuthi imali yabo abadlali ngayo lana yini imfule engayithanza kuyisho kubamfu mhlambe laba kuthada nje na insha because lemfuleni indako ba incane insha le wekhanza ukuthi yenda lokuleni kwendawo nini yini nje na emagama ekuthada leningawonita insha ukuthi nayo itikhanze nayo ikuthathekile ukuthi yente umsebenzi omuhle kaso njengani bobuti simcale ngawe mina kepha
angibonge lethuba nakethu uthi ungasuka lekhashale la ushito khona athi usuka khona ufike la enzaweni yasesitsheni nathi inkathi sentethu nathi kusiniketa umdlandla ukuthi cha empeleni lesikwentako
kuyabonakala
kusho ukuthi kungumlibalo yembili kuyabonakala nasesifeni mntu lomdzala lengakusho ensheni yanamuhla kuletikhathi letinsuku lesesiphila kudo ikakhulu thina lesingathi sesebancanyanyanyala lesese nawe emandla ngasho nje ukuthi kuphila komuntu lomusha kusesindondweni kanye nasetandleni takhe
exactly
ngoba nathi nje lenvo sayicala kancane kepha sekuyabonakalisa ukuthi nabana abantu edlula kumuntu lomdzalo uyasho ukuthi yathi nentakona ngoba insha namhla isakhana ukuvele lokusebenza ayisakuthanzi
ayikuthanzi babhizi ngabo mathapha nabo Facebook
pheceleti
netidaka nabo social
lengakusho nje lokunye ukuthi nje insha isukume kuningi lengakwenta kukhona kulima kukhona kubata kukhona kushisela siyinsha nje akudzingeki size sitikhanze sizigene tidzakamiveni lekutawenta ukuthi likusasa lethu ligcine selishabalala lelihle kukhona lesingakwenta singazama nalapha njengoba nathi nje la nana indvodza lesiphila nawo khona lamanye amadvodza nje lamabili langekho la njengalo itfolile indvodza itolo
wakahle ni4
kahle sing4
cause itolo bangitshela ukuthi nibathaphu
ushothi nje ukuthi delibali ngoba inala kuyasetshentwa lana lengcondvo nje ukubusa ubona la sibuya la lengcondvo ukhanza ukuthi seyathinga beteka
awuyana la
sebentu omkhulu la
kude nesifundi kuyabonakala ukuthi hey matima okay lokunye umbuto mhlambe lengamnika ababe siyabonga ukuthi nifiseni le business leli nilibona likuphi okay kulumnyaka lotako i-short term goal bese do besangitshela ukuthi i-long term goal eminyakeni lesihlanu nibone ikuphi le business yenu niyibona ikuphi
yebo mina yebo lana njengenyalo besiphushela ukuthi lamakhabishi sidawa supplier eSpar eZulwini
okay
yes emva kwalo
retailer
yes
okay
kwanyalo vele ngalana sesing maintenance then we have another lady ngale
okay asihamba soyibuka
tender 2 whereby sto faka spinach the whole field
okay
because even at OK Foods they say you can supply by spinach
okay
another thing we're still raising funds for a feedlot at that place over there the feedlot
yini ngena le feedlots
ufuya mina ke futhi inkomo ufuyo ngasho kanjalo
kanti sathu ngeta ne livestock kahle
yes mixed farming we call it mixed farming
okay
yeah lapha nje makuphuma cabbage wakona plant that side the field layer makuphuma that field we then do a feedlot
right
after 5 years I guess our goals will come on GD6
Ah, la.
will be published. Stabe sesiright nathi.
Kahle lena vele akusiyimvo yokuthi nyenda nje khambisa isikhathi imvo vele lena ihlosile.
Yes, kunema business plan. Donke letinto leto tisehlelweni.
Sehlelweni.
Yes.
Okay. Awumbuto wokugcina lona ke ngwakusumbuto lo serious kakhulu ngumbuto wokudlala. Mara serious ngalenye indlela. Kuzambelana umbuto wokucala ngobutile. Njengensha nje sobuya kulombuto wensha. Lelijale liya lona likhona info lendako la ikondla yini lalekelela ngayo le project yenu
lenfutha leya le
noma ibhizi ngemanangu
mahlale
ekhukhwini
lenfutha ngoba nayo yinsha leya isafunza esikolweni kepha ngalabo umgcibelo nemasonto phela sonto siye sibe na
ngizama ukuchazela ukuthi ngiyacela nangani kube into give up. You must push guys, asipushaneni lona imphupho uyeta siyabonisana as a family. Nabo nje lengasho ukuthi kulo 50 years lami nawe nje
Sindeke bazalane
extra time.
Ubele nje bamepembe uNkulunkulu akasiphe sona. Kodwa mina ngisho ungamalanga ngithi yathi uNkulunkulu usasigcina. Ufuna silungise amaphutha lesawenda. Sifike kuye simhlobile njengalokuthi bantu abangaba lethe emhlabeni bahlobile.
Ngishutile ngamnenjaniza. Asidleni.
Nje noma sakafike late na asho manje anything nje 2 minutes.
Asho ukuthi umhleleni. Kare kare bukala. Bese ngisolana.
sanibonani shina sengikuba late mina bengadi ukuthi nginemsebenzi birthday nami surprise but malume happy birthday ngisengiyeva nami ukuthi celebrate half a century.
Yes.
Yabita kabi igama half a century kahle 50 years is not a easy age to reach. So happy birthday. Fisa ukuthi ushayile omunye 50th. 50th century.